Yeah. Yeah.
And I know a lot of you listening to this are probably going to say, I knew the market was going to do that. And you probably are tuned in at times to your intuition. But it really takes quite a lot of time invested in self-reflection to be clean and clear about whether it's truly intuition or it's wishing and hoping. Now, we all wish and hope to make a boatload of money in the markets. I get it. That's why we're all traders. We want to make more money than we ever have. That's great. That's fantastic. That's why I'm a trader. That's why all of you out there are traders. But when you're passionate about something, there's a fine line, and this is kind of the gray area that most people don't really understand, because you can be passionate about something but still be unattached to the outcome, or as Mark would say, having a carefree state of mind, meaning your intuition can tell you that the market's going in this direction, but if you get attached to that market direction that you think is intuition, then you've lost your focus. So it's not really intuition after that point. You're just kind of in a mess. So truly having an intuitive sense about the market takes quite a bit, as I said a few moments ago, of personal self-reflection, because everything you see in the market is going to come back at you and bring up anything about yourself that you're not comfortable with. Fear of loss, feeling stupid, not smart enough, not educated enough, anything that you think you don't care about anymore, that is going to manifest in your trading. So the three types of trading, the mechanical, which is what I am,